Hi, it's Dr. Jean, the Results Queen. It's the first Monday of the month. And you know how I love the first Monday of the month. And you know why? Because it's a great opportunity to focus on metrics. I always want to run my new business development on metrics. A lot of people don't. They get scared of the metrics and they're afraid that if I don't make the metrics, what's going to happen? And that's focusing on the negative as opposed to focusing on the positive. There's something called Big Hairy Audacious Goals. It was developed by Jim Collins. And it's kind of an old concept, but it still works today. What is it that you want to achieve in your new business development? And imagine if you could get that. What would you do? And that's the attitude that I want you to have for this month. I can make a lot of new business development happen when I have the right attitude. I can have a fuller funnel and I can close people faster. I just need to know that I can do it, that I have the right skill set, the right mindset, and the right discipline. So, first of the month, take stock of where you are, figure out where you want to go over the next 28 days, and then start practicing and meaning. Start putting it into practice and do it every single day. I'm Dr. Jean, the Results Queen, and if you have a topic that you want me to discuss or a question you want me to answer, feel free to email me at jean@getmoreresults.com. And if you need help in terms of your metrics or in terms of accountability, feel free to click on the link in the email or in the caption to schedule your free, no obligation coaching call because we want to help you. Our mission is to leave you better than I found you. I'm Dr. Jean, the Results Queen. Go out and get results.